This is CiCi at her final evaluation. It's March 16th.
Alright. This way. Focus, this way.
Come on, CiCi.
What's that?
Good girl. Look at you.
Wait, what are you doing?
Good girl. You can take her again.
Hey. Turn around. Turn around.
CiCi.
This way.
CiCi.
Hey, go.
Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, she's really getting good. She's a lot better when she is moving faster.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
CiCi. CiCi. Good girl. Good girl. All right, and then let's have her sit and lie down.
Come on. Hey. Sit. Down. Down. Up. Leg.
Up. Yep.
Bad.
Okay, try it one more time from a sit.
Up. Up. Sit. Down.
Good.
Good girl.
Good girl.